Okay, we're here at the Cavagna booth. I got Tom Biedebach, the West Coast sales manager for Cavagna. First off, what is the mission here for Cavagna at GAWDA?
Cavagna's always been focused on making sure that our customers have solutions available to them, whether it's something off the shelf or if it's something that takes a little creativity and engineering on our part. We believe in partnerships. We don't believe in a customer situation. It's more of a focus on making sure that we have long-term partners that we can grow with and help them grow as well. A perfect example of that, if we had a customer come to us with a specific need for a diaphragm brass hydrocarbon valve. So took a little talk, a little planning, and 6 months later, we had a brand new product for them in-house that they're now using.
There you go. If you're filling hydrocarbon gases, talk to Tom about the new hydrocarbon valve that they just developed. Okay, aside from just the products, talk about some of the value that you guys bring as an organization to the distributors.
Well, one of the nice things about working for the Cavagna family and the Cavagna group is the fact that we don't go through distribution. We're a manufacturer direct. We sell directly to the cylinder maintenance facilities, the cylinder valve users. So there's added value just in the fact that you're going to save money coming with us from the start. Another great feature, and the one that I take the most pride in, is the fact that it is, in fact, Cavagna is a family name. So it's a family-owned business, been around over 75 years. And if there's an issue, you're not going to butt your head up against some lawyer or some private equity group. You're going to find that we're there to respond to make sure that you're taken care of because the family's name is on the box.
There you go. Yeah, and I'm sure a lot of GAWDA distributors here can relate to that dynamic where it's their name and it's their reputation, so Absolutely. I know how important that can be. Anything else you want to highlight here at the SMC that you're talking to the distributors about here?
No, I just want to take an opportunity to say thank you for all the continued support for the organization, and we appreciate every bit of business that comes our way, and always looking forward to work with new people and focus on new ideas.
There you go. Quick update here from Cavagna. Thank you, Tom and David and Miriam for all of the things that you do for us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. It's always great to see you guys here at the show and have your support.
Right on.